Okay, for 1 and 9, it says for each line in problem 10-108. So the two equations we had in 108 were y equals negative 1/4 x plus 10. And the other one was y equals 1/3 x plus 3. Okay, so they want to know x and y intercepts. Y intercepts are easy, right? We substitute 0 in for x. So the y intercept for this one is 10. And again, x and y intercepts are not ordered pairs. The book lists them as ordered pairs. They're not ordered pairs. It's the y value. So the y-intercept for this one is 3, right? Because we put a 0 in for x. Okay, now the x-intercept, slightly different. We have to put a 0 in for y, right? So we substitute 0 in and get 0 equals negative 1/4 x plus 10. We add 1/4 x to both sides. 1/4 x equals 10. And we multiply by 4. And we get x-intercept is 40, right? So the x-intercept is 40 and the y-intercept was 10. For this one, we substitute a 0 in for y. So we get 1/3 x plus 3. We subtract 1/3 x. And we multiply by negative 3. And we get x equals negative 9. So the x-intercept is negative 9. And the y-intercept we found here.